Good morning, friends. Welcome to SBI Securities morning podcast. In today's podcast, we will be discussing what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty from here on, along with the key levels for both the indices. I will also be discussing on the key sectors and stocks that we should be focusing for the day and the next few trading sessions. In yesterday's trading session, the frontline indices traded in a tight range. This ahead of the RBI monetary policy announcement scheduled today. However, in contrast, the broader markets continued its upbeat mood with the mid-cap and small-cap indices hitting yet another fresh all-time high, ending the day 0.59 and 0.37% higher respectively. Coming to the macro factors, the dollar index faced price rejection at its 20-day EMA, weakening below the levels of 104 levels. What's more is the longer term yields, that is the US 10-year and the US 30-year yields, continue to remain in a downtrend, which has helped the equity markets the world over. Also, Brent crude remains weak with the crude oil prices trading below $76. This is a positive for oil importing economy like India. And till the time Brent crude remains at these levels, we feel the trend is on the negative side and can correct further towards levels of $70 per barrel. Coming to the global markets, so the S&P 500, like we have been mentioning, is currently consolidating in the range of 4,560, 4,600. Above 4,600, the index can head towards the levels of 4,690, 4,730 on the upside. Coming to India VIX, the index lost 7.77% yesterday going into the RBI policy announcement which is scheduled today. This indicates that the option participants feel little fear with regard to the uncertainty surrounding the event. Going forward till 20,800, 20,830 holds, which is acting as a support till the time this particular zone holds, the index can extend its rally towards 161.8% Fibonacci extension zone of the levels of 21,040, 21,077. This level is derived from the Fibonacci sequence applied to the move seen from 15 September to 26th October. On the downside, if Nifty breaches the level of 20,800, index can retest the support levels placed at 20,720, 20,680 levels. On the OI front, that is for the next week's expiry, significant call writing build-up is witnessed in 21,000 and 21,100 call strikes, while on the put front it is mainly seen in 20,900, 20,800. Overall, the range for today's session could be the levels of 20,800 on the downside and 21,077 on the upside. Coming to Bank Nifty formed a variant of the tweezer top candlestick pattern on Wednesday with the flat closing yesterday. IV for Bank Nifty remains on the higher side at 14.26 ahead of the RBI monetary policy announcement today. With the underlying medium term trend bullish, the immediate support for Bank Nifty is likely the zone of 46,550, 46,500, while the immediate resistance is placed at 47,250, 47,230 levels. A surge above the levels of 47,250 index can continue its current momentum towards the levels of 47,700, 48,000 levels, while on the downside, in case 46,500 breaks, the index can retest its next support placed at the levels of 46,220, 46,080 zone. If we see the next week's OI data build up for Bank Nifty, currently 46,800, 46,600, 46,500 puts witnessed OI built up, while the 46,900 and the 47,000 calls witnessed built up on the call side. Coming to stocks and sectors in momentum, so Nifty consumer durable was the best performing sector for the day, ending with gains of 1.13%. Among the constituents, Havells, Voltas, Crompton and Titan posted strong traction on the upside, while within the pharma space also, which has emerged as a dark horse, buying was seen in Glenmark, Oro Pharma, Sun Pharma, Alchem and Zydus Life. Reality stocks like Godrej Property, Oberoi Realty, Shobha, Prestige also witnessed good traction on the upside with multi-year breakouts seen in few of the counters. From the broader market, bullish setup was observed in the likes of Power Grid, TCS, Britannia, NHPC, Concor, Zeal, JSW Energy, MRF, BHEL, IEX, Hudco, IDBI, KEI, MGL, MCX, NBCC, JK Lakshmi and CESC. On the FI/DI front, that is FI/DI data, in the cash segment, FI is sold to the tune of 1500 crores while DI is sold to the tune of 9.66 crores. FI long short ratio for index futures has improved to the tune of 56.58% as they added almost 8600 index futures. On the stock futures front, FIs have squared off 31,000 contracts, while on the options front, FI squared off nearly 1.38 lakh call contracts and 1.85 lakh put option contracts. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you for regularly listening to our podcast. Wishing you all an energetic day ahead. Do tune in tomorrow for more market updates and insights. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.